Hello everyone, this is Yusuf12. This is a Walmart bag. Let's go, guy. Zuru Robo Alive Junior Swim and Ducky Play and Learn Swim Toy. I swim and walk like a real duck. Try me. 18 months plus. These are from Zuru, who's back. I walk, I swim. Collect them all. Swimming clownfish, swimming crocodile. RoboLife.com. Let's open it up. So I don't really know how to open the box. So I never thought they opened these boxes before. Well, we have to open from here. Here's instructions. Collect them all. Robo Life Junior Robotics, Croc, Clownfish, Duck, which I got. I don't think we need something to need. So I basically need what I do know. So I just then I can't say it. So I just need to open what I got that toy out. Just like Baby Shark when I opened a few months ago, last year. Last year. That's what I thought about Baby Shark. Baby Shark lives in the ocean, that's what we know. If you got that views for that, I bet it is. Now the box is kind of damaged. Unfortunately, these boxes aren't that cool. You know the boxes are funnier to open when they are falling apart or walking on each side. I bet it is. I thought we need some screws. Excuse me, I farted again. Huh. That's weird. The duck isn't cool. If we get these screws out, we basically get these two screws out. And we get the duck out. There we go. So here's little ducky out of the box. Yeah, I know. He looks cool. I bet he can swim in the ocean. That's sometimes that ducky can swim in the ocean. I thought that ducky can swim in the water. That's pretty cool if he can swim in the water. That's so awesome that they have legs. Unfortunately, they know how to swim and they already know what we used to have one. I think most people don't know how to swim. They fly into the air and they land it into the water and they swim. And I bet so many people love ducks. Did you know how many ducks there are? A lot. I thought there are no. I thought never. I meant to say that. I thought many people never agreed to have a duck, and they can't deserve that. They didn't say about all these ducks that have all cuties. They have all other ducks. They have more families. So let's go to the tub.
Come here. Hey, dude. Are you videotaping?
Oh.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Are you videotaping? How was your day?
Good.
Do you want to go with Mom to Ananga's house today?
Yeah.
Because we haven't seen them for a long time. Come here, let's talk. I'm talking to you. Did you have a good day? That's great. You look so cute. Come here. Wait, are you videotaping?
Nah.
Are you videotaping me right now? Yes?
Huh.
You're videotaping?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Okay, go.
Sorry, my mom was distracting me. And she never thought I was videotaping. But that's okay.